Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to take online tests through Google Forms. So open Google through Google Chrome, go to Google Forms, create open a blank form, untitled form. You can see here you give title class test or class test, any description what you want to write. Here you can write subject or topic. I am writing here polynomials. You can write mathematics, English. It is up to you what you will write. Now here, when we take test, first of all we want to record the roll numbers. So it is better first you write roll number. So I am writing here roll number. Again here short answer you select. You can select number also. They will enter here. It is required column. They have to submit it. We add one, and here I will write name so that it is easy for you to sort out. Now after name, I want, as the so many sections are there and we will get all response together in Excel sheet, so it is better that class and section and you give all options, because it is the habit that some of them, if I write here short answer, then some will write in Roman and some will write numeral, so it is difficult to sort out. So better you give option that 7a, 7b, 7c, 7d. Like here I am writing 7c and 7d. It is also required. So until they will fill up, they can't submit. After this complete information, we will start questions. So you write first question. Here I am writing every rational number is an integer. You can write according to your subject. Here we can add true or false also. Like this question, if true or false, suggestions are there, you can select from there. So it is true or false, required button. Now as we are making it quiz, so it is we have to go in setting and then to select the quiz. And quiz, you can see so many options are there. I save it. Presentation, it is, I don't want to shuffle it. They can submit one response or more, but here as it is class test, so I select only submit one response, otherwise we get more responses. Now here as you will select quiz, here you will get the points. So according to you, you can give 5 points, 9 points, 10 points. Now here you select true or false, which one is correct. Go in answer key and select that one. It will tick. Now everything done, then your marks you have assigned, you have selected true answers. After that you go to second question, and same way you can write the question. Select, it is 5 plus 6 selected. Multiple choice, you enter all options. You can write you 2 options, 3 options, it is up to you. Anyone, any option or others, none of these, then answer key. You assign marks 1, 2 or 10 like that. Select the correct answer from answer key. Now two questions we have done. Now here is how to insert the image. We can insert image. We can upload it from your desktop. You can select one image already saved on your desktop and upload the file. Like here, if I select it, you can drag the file and then the file will, you can see the file here. It is easy. Suppose you have a set of questions, from there you want to take the big passage or mathematical equations. You can take it from screenshot it, crop it, take it in WhatsApp, and from web WhatsApp you can take it from your desktop, and from there you can drag it to this Google form. You according to you can crop it, make the size smaller, add this image, then you enter the questions, read the following passage and answer. You can write any one question and then you give options to them. What is the enter options? Option 1, option 2. It is up to you how many options you can give. We can take image from download section also. Suppose you have in download section, so you can take images from there also. Suppose one image I am taking of, it is of biology, so you can insert image, and then same way you will write questions and options, select the correct answer, required button on, assign marks. Now everything we have done. Now it is very essential to find out or sort out the marks when we get it. So we create a spreadsheet, Excel sheet, name it like class test of 7 or 8 or any class. You will see that Excel sheet will open. And in Excel sheet you will get time and date as soon as they will submit the quiz. Score is there, roll number, name, whatever details we have given, and all questions, it is true or false. Now response we will get like this. It is in the form of Excel sheet. So the now question is that how to sort out. Suppose so many sections are there, 4 sections or 5 sections. So we have to sort out. So what are the essential informations are there? We want roll number, name and class and marks. 4 things are there. So all these 4 columns you can copy and paste it in second form. Plus button is there, sheet 2 will open, and there you paste. I have pasted it. You can add borders so that it will clear to you. Border I have added already. Now we have to sort out. So we select, there are 4 sections also, and roll number also they have submitted according to timestamp. So we have to sort. Range is which column we are sorting. Now first is I want to sort out according to sections. So it is D. So I have sorted this column D. Now you see that 8A, 8B, 8C, like this together we are getting the response. Now I want to sort out more because 8A, if it is roll number wise, it will be easy for me. So I sort it again according to roll number. Roll number is in column C, so I select column C. So you see that all roll numbers in ascending order we get. Sometimes you see that our roll numbers are repeated because in this I have not done submit only one response. So in when we are taking test, it is essential that we take limit up to one response only. So here we are getting all response section wise, roll number wise. So in this timestamp you will get all response as soon as students will submit the answer. Now we have to send it. We can see preview how the test our form is. It is ready. Now we go back again and we send it. We can send it by through mail or link. Link is the best option. So we shorten URL, we copy it. The best is we open webwhatsapp.com, and there in class group you can send the link. This way we can create the quiz easily.